Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam api.dll file missing error on Steam. You've probably seen this message saying, the program can't start because Steam api.dll is missing from your computer. Don't worry, it's super easy to fix without downloading anything unsafe. First, open your Steam library. Right-click on the game that's showing the error and click Properties. Now go to the Installed Files tab, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan your game folder and automatically re-download any missing or corrupted files, including the Steam api.dll file. Once that's done, try launching your game again. In most cases, that completely fixes the problem. If it still doesn't work, uninstall the game and reinstall it fresh from Steam. This replaces all missing files and resets the installation properly. Next, right-click your Steam icon and choose Run as Administrator. This makes sure Steam has full permission to load all required files correctly when the game starts. One thing you should never do is download the Steam api.dll file from random websites. Those files are often unsafe and can contain malware. The best and safest way is to let Steam handle it automatically through verification or reinstalling the game. If you're using an antivirus, it's also a good idea to check the quarantine list. Sometimes the file might have been flagged by mistake. If you find it there, restore it only if it's from your Steam game folder. And that's it! After doing this, your Steam api.dll file should be restored, and your game should launch without any errors. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Steam tutorials and gaming fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.